and when he go to Hogwarts and accidentally take a wand and throw it in a burst of fire, and when the magic wand turned into a very big mythological creature, the giant. As the giant has 20 arms and 10 heads, and the 10 heads and 20 arms take the big magic wand and take the room and take out and destroy the school of Hogwarts. And when Harry and all his friends, Ron, Hermione, and Severus Snape, prepare to attack the giant, as the giant suddenly takes its biggest wand ever and then just abracadabra, and the Hogwarts school has disappeared in jail.
How about a hammerhead worm? No, I'm real. Hammerhead worm.
Alright, I'm gonna tell a story about
a type of worm with a hammerhead. Hammerhead worm is a worm with a hammerhead.
a hammerhead? You mean you are in the ocean and the hammerhead shark cut its head so it can have a hammer, and then take its head and then cut.
No, the hammerhead worm, not the hammerhead shark.
You mean the hammerhead worm? You mean a bunch of worms and then suck to your skin and would never peel off?
No, hammerhead worms eat snails and worms.
A hammerhead, snails, and worms. A mythological creature with a bunch of insects. Hammerhead teeth.
And where's the snail iron come from?
And
the snail with iron shell.
And then like the hermit crab and snail argued that the snail said, "This is my shell," and the hermit crab said, "This is my shell, not yours." They both argue, like they decide to cut a half of his shell and put on a half of their body.
And what happens if you if you take a flatworm, cut them in half?
Cut in half, and then you cut into 4 pieces. When you cut into like a hexagon pizza.
That's not a flatworm. It's a worm that's so. It's a worm that is flat.
I know that flatworm. When you cut the flatworm,
the tail grow a head, and the head grow the tail.
First, you have a flatworm, and then you cut. The more you cut, the more babies the flatworm heads.
The more flatworm increase, the more cut you keep cutting.
That's right. Like when you have a flatworm slithering up as a flatworm. Hey guys.
Around about this.
And when you cut the flatworm, and then like the more flatworms than any other. The more you cut, the more flatworms you had. Plus, I wish I don't have a pet octopus in my aquarium. Plus, octopuses have no bones. They can squeeze through tiny holes.